Good evening, I am Srihari Rao. Today I am going to present a paper titled A Case Study of Web Content Mining in Handling Cybercrime. And this is the agenda. And coming to the terminology and background, we have got web crawler tool, which is also known as web robot. Web crawler tool is a tool useful to archive the web pages that are present in the internet. And web content mining is a kind of mining the web pages and certain other information also. And web archiving or internet archiving refers to the archiving of web pages that are present in the internet. And Wayback Mission is a web crawler tool for internet archiving of websites, and it contains over 150 billion web captures. And culprit website is a website that does malicious things, and cybercrime is the one that violates a law, example cyber law, or violates the code, example criminal procedure code, or violates an act, violates constitution using web as a media. And here we have CGOT stands for Cheating Government of Telangana, SGOT stands for Sedition Government of Telangana, and FGOT stands for Fake Government of Telangana. And here we have one snapshot of the website http://jn2hjack.com home page. So in this home page, the snapshot, we can find to the right hand side one logo which contains cyber criminal content. So it contains state emblem of India here, and it also contains a mention of Government of Telangana. And this snapshot is taken on 13 February 2012. So, and cheating crime, sedition crime, and state emblem of India, prohibition of improper use Act 2005 violations, these three are the crimes committed by this particular website, jn2hjack.com. And jn2hjack is an organization that has association with this website, and hence it is an online, it is associated with CGOT, SGOT and FGOT, and runs unlawful organized activity in J&H academic environment. And cyber intelligence alternatives for countering cybercrime. So that is what our aim is. And cyber forensics is the field of study with regard to forensic evidence related to or based on web data and resources. And example cyber forensic tools include TrueBack, CyberCheck, FDAC, FRAN, MobileCheck, Adweek CDR Analyzer, NESA, and WinLift, etc. And here we have what is sedition and what is cheating. So these two terms are very, very important, and here we are defining those two terms. Sedition law penalizes any spoken or written words or visible representations, etc., which have the effect of bringing or which content attempt to bring into hatred or contempt or excite or attempt to excite disaffection towards the government established by law. That is the meaning of sedition. And coming to the meaning of cheating, it could be a case of whoever cheats and thereby dishonestly induces the person, deceived any property to any person, or to make, alter or destroy the whole or any part of a valuable security, or anything which is signed or sealed and which is capable of being converted into a valuable security, shall be punished with imprisonment of either for a term which may extend to 7 years, and shall also be liable to fine. And capturing the snapshots of the culprit's website's homepage. So we have captured these snapshots of the home pages of jn2hjack.com. So two snapshots are shown here, and these are the two snapshots. One is taken on 13th February 2012 and another is taken on 18th April 2012. So in both these snapshots, we can find the logo here, which contains a cyber criminal content. And therefore, it cannot be ruled out that CGOT, SGOT, FGOT works in the background, underground, or parallelly now. And coming to the conclusions and future work, culprit GOD is involved in 3 crimes altogether clearly, and the web content mining results drawn from the Wayback Mission clearly prove the crimes. And over the years 2011 to 14, no FIR is registered despite complaint against the cheating and sedition crimes. Therefore, such organized crimes are threats to the national spirit and national integration of India. If online culprit GOD is paid, it will set wrong precedents and such crimes tend to recur. Therefore, it becomes a vicious cycle which is undesirable. Therefore, such a cheating, fake, seditious government should be prohibited and rooted out. And here we have one web device with the URL where we can find things for getting guidance and awareness about the cyber crimes, and so guidance and counseling web. It is a guidance and counseling web page, and it is It is useful to make transparent to the general public the issues involving cybercrime against the nation. These are the references, and thank you.